Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Renegade Platinum on your PC. First, you will need to download a Nintendo DS emulator, such as Desmumi, which is a popular and reliable choice for playing DS games on a computer. Make sure your system meets the recommended specifications for optimal performance. Once downloaded, simply install the emulator by following the straightforward prompts, usually taking only a few minutes. Next, you will need to acquire the Pokémon Renegade Platinum game ROM. Search online for the Pokémon Renegade Platinum NDS ROM from a trusted website. Always ensure the file you download is in the correct NDS format to be compatible with your emulator. Once you have found and downloaded the ROM, save it to a convenient location on your computer, perhaps in a dedicated games folder. With your emulator installed and the game ROM ready, it is time to load up Pokémon Renegade Platinum. Launch your emulator, then go to the File menu and select Open ROM. Navigate to the folder where you saved your NDS file and open it. Before diving in, take a moment to configure your controls. You can map keyboard keys or a connected gamepad to replicate the Nintendo DS buttons for a comfortable experience. Now you are all set to enjoy Pokémon Renegade Platinum on your personal computer. You can enhance your experience by adjusting display settings, like increasing the internal resolution for sharper graphics. Remember to use the emulator's save state feature, which allows you to save and load your game instantly, independent of in-game saves. Also, consider using the fast-forward option to speed up slower parts of the game, like walking or grinding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.